Welcome to our 12th issue of DrumBeat, the newsletter that tells the science story from Africa. The DrumBeat is now 12 months old, actually the first anniversary, and we are very excited because over the last 1 year, we have been able to capture different stories. We have covered scientists working in the labs, we have captured policymakers, entrepreneurs, and young people. And currently, we are now having an active subscription list of 3,000, which we feel by all standards is a good start. Now, why did we have a newsletter on biosciences for Africa? We realized that scientists in Africa don't have a platform where they can talk about the researches they are doing in Africa to impact on food security, climate change issues, and also to address the environmental conservation programs in Africa. And so we have a wide range of topics that we have covered. We have looked at the South African countries, the North, the Western, and the Eastern. And what has been standing out is the exciting work that African researchers are doing. If you look at a crop like sorghum, we already have a product now that is looking at sorghum that resists the striga weed, which is a very difficult weed for the farmers to resolve. And so we are looking out at that as an opportunity for the business community, entrepreneurs, to invest in getting that product to our end users. Now, when it comes to farmers, what struck us most, especially in the year, was a farmer telling their story about the impact that some of these emerging pests, like the fall armyworm, is having in their farm, and making a passionate appeal for any intervention, may it be bioscience or otherwise, so that he can be helped to bring food on the table, because fall armyworm has been devastating most of the maize crop and leaving farmers with nothing to bring on the table for the family or even to take to the market. And there is so much that biosciences can do. But if it remains trapped in our research institutions, in journals, it is not going to make a difference. So by airing your voice in DrumBeat, you are able to help us in unpacking this science, either for business or for informing policy or for mentoring others who are interested in the sciences. So if you are an African out there, you have a strong opinion about how we can improve the bioscience landscape in Africa, or you have a link somewhere that can help our researchers to transition their research into products, or you are that person who is sitting on that policy desk and you need information on how we can drive the science agenda for Africa's development, you can contact us and we'll be able to come to you, and you'll be entering into our subscription list, which is really just made up of those who have a passion for science, they have an interest in science, and they believe that biosciences have a contribution to play in Africa's development.